Whether you are a plant executive, industrial engineer, maintenance professional, or process supervisor, iQAgent delivers the process data you need to do your job, right to your iPad or iPhone. iQAgent is a holistic data display and recorder for industrial and process environments. It turns your plant floor into a data-rich environment, providing access to live process data, documentation, and resource links on specific machines, equipment, and processes on the plant floor. Let's face it, time is money. There's nothing more expensive to plant operations than unplanned downtime or decreased productivity due to equipment or process failures. When the line is down, quickly getting information and resources into the right hands is a critical part of the solution. In situations like these, iQAgent helps you save time and money by providing live data and related resources exactly when and where you need it, and improving communications about process issues with support personnel. With iQAgent, you can have all this information at your fingertips, no matter what your job is or where you are located. Executives can use iQAgent to review real-time key performance indicators of their processes, whether they are on the plant floor, in a production meeting, a casual hallway discussion with colleagues, or even at home. Maintenance personnel and engineers use it to review live process data on specific equipment or processes, as well as review related schematics, parts lists, or enter preventative maintenance activities or trouble reports. Production staff use iQAgent to monitor the process and record issues with the process, including live data, video, audio, and on-screen annotations for remote support personnel to analyze. Here's how it works. iQAgent consists of three components: the iQAgent configuration utility, the iQAgent server, and the iQAgent iPad client app. The iQAgent configuration utility allows you to define and configure points of interest in your plant. Points of interest can be equipment, machines, processes, work areas, or anything that can be characterized by data. For each point of interest, you configure data views, which are links to live process data from your HMI, SCADA, DCS or PLC, through OPC or ODBC database connections. You will also configure the Info view, allowing you to create links to resources like parts lists or schematics, vendor email addresses, and URLs for your document server, intranet work order system, or trouble reporting system. Once you've configured all your points of interest, you can generate and print a QR code for each that will act as a link to the point of interest for the iQAgent iPad app. You place these QR codes on the plant floor near the actual equipment or process the point of interest represents. The iQAgent server reads the point of interest configuration database and securely serves the data to the iQAgent iPad client app on demand. Let's take a closer look at the iQAgent iPad client app. You can use the iQAgent iPad app to scan the QR code for any particular point of interest anywhere you have a 3G or Wi-Fi connection to your plant's wireless network. Once the QR code is scanned, the related point of interest will be displayed on your device. The data view displays the live process data values you configured in the iQAgent configuration utility. Select one or more data points on the data display to display their values below on a trend, bar graph, or pie chart. Tap the Info View button to call or email vendors or support personnel, retrieve schematics or equipment documentation, or enter data into your plan's preventative maintenance or trouble reporting system. In addition to scanning a QR code, points of interest can be selected from a browser. You can even save a particular point of interest to a favorites list for easy access. Now imagine a critical piece of machinery in your production line experiences a failure. Rather than simply getting on the phone with support personnel to try to explain the problem, the iQAgent iPad app allows you to recreate the on-site experience by recording everything on the iPad's display, including live video and audio, data views, resource links, and on-screen annotations. The resulting MP4 video can then be emailed or forwarded to remote support personnel for quicker analysis of the problem, so you can get your process up and running again. How many times have you waited for help to arrive only to have them say, "If only I had known this or seen that, we could have resolved this immediately"? Now imagine the savings in time and money by resolving the problem immediately, with no waiting or guessing. Stream your iQAgent's iPad display to the conference room HDTV using Apple TV to support management review and discussion of process issues and performance without disturbing production. iQAgent is the most comprehensive solution available for monitoring and maintaining smooth plant operations. Download a free copy of the iQAgent iPad client app in the App Store today and try our full-featured demo mode yourself.